These are actually one of the most awaited things in MIUI device. For example, most of the users are using global MIUI, they're using India MIUI. And the thing is, in global or Indian MIUI rooms, we don't have many features. For example, even with the MIUI 13 update, we didn't got the widgets option. But with the help of this module, you'll be able to use widgets on a device, you'll be able to use some extra things, and one of the most awaited things which I will talk about later on, so stay tuned. Let me show you two more things here. For example, as you can see, we have this widget, and I will tell you that I'm using MIUI 13. I'm using MIUI 13 running Android 12, the global version. I'm using the global version. As you can see, by swiping, I am having this app vault, the Chinese app vault, where we have these kind of options available. We have the new widgets options available. You can customize these things very easily. These things with the help of that module, and as always, all credits goes to the developers. One more thing, if I move on to this option, now we have the option for the set default screen. For example, let me just move this thing to the second page, and if I want to choose that option as my default screen, for example that page, now this is our default screen. So if I move here like this, if I scroll, and this is the default screen right now, you can change it very easily. And this is the new thing which we have, including this. Let me show you one more thing. If I move on to the settings option, more option, we also have the animation speed option. Yes, some options might be available for you by default, but the new Chinese app widget, which you don't have in the global one, which you don't have in the India one, so that's already included, which includes some new features. But two more things are quite interesting. Which are the things which are quite interesting about this one is these new widgets, no ads of course, and same like that, this is the major thing. This is about themes. Yes, I'm using global version, I'm using India version, but the theme store, the theme settings, or basically this kind of theme manager, is actually not the global one. And the global one, you can't import the third-party themes, but in this China theme manager, you can import the third-party themes. Yes, this was most awaited thing, and you can definitely use this thing. As you can see, I'm having these themes, and if I move on to the theme section, and we have the import option available. Yes, this is the option which everyone was looking for. You don't have these options by defaults. A lot of users definitely need this thing. For example, let me try to import any theme here just to show you that even if it is working or not, it's working perfectly fine. Let me try by applying this theme, so I'll be able to tell you that if it is working fine or not. This is actually working fine. As you can see, this is absolutely working fine. Nothing to worry about, anything. As you can see, let me try enabling any other theme too, so that someone will definitely confirm this. Move on to the import option, click on file manager. I have some themes available in SD card, so as you can see, these are the themes which we have. If I try to import this theme from iOS theme, so let me try to import this too. Try clicking on apply, and yes, it is applying too. So as import theme option is working perfectly fine. Go and definitely try out this thing. This is one of the best Magisk models for the MIUI users. If you're a MIUI user, Xiaomi user, go and you need to install this thing. One thing keep in mind, as it is a Magisk module, so make sure your device is rooted with the latest Magisk version. And also, while making this video, Magisk latest version v25 is now out. So yes, I'll make video on that too very soon, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe the channel, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss those things. Wallpapers, ringtones, fonts, all these things which were present already there, nothing is lost, so no worries about anything. Yes, this is a Magisk module, so if you're having any kind of issues, or if you're having any kind of bugs, etc., if you're facing any major bugs, you can simply ignore that thing. That's not a major deal. You can simply uninstall the module from custom recovery. You can simply uninstall the module from the Magisk itself. I made a video on one Magisk module, through which if you have installed that module, the module name is boot loop protector. That thing will protect you from boot loop, so that's also quite useful. You can install that module too, and yes, I made a video on that one already. If I move on to the Magisk option as well, I am using this version called 24.3, but yes, as I just mentioned, the Magisk 25 version is also out, and yes, I'll make video on that too. You can find out on our channel very soon. This is the version I'm using here. So yes, if you want to install this MIUI mode, which is called MIUI 13 widgets enabler, as always, all credits goes to the developers. It will enable MIUI 13 new widgets for all the MIUI 12 and MIUI 13 devices. running Android 11 and 12. So if you're even using Android 11, you can go and give it a try. I'm not sure about it, but yes, you can. This is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through